Hello everybody, today we'll be taking a look at 7th chords. So again, it all starts back at the major scale. So if we take a look at our C major scale, we had C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. The C major chord just had the first, third, and the fifth notes in the scale, so C, E, and G over and over again. And when we play it, you'll notice the C major chord sounds very happy, it's very pleasant, it's very major, it's very positive. We're going to take a look at the C7 chord today, which has a different feel to it. Once again, it will have the first, third, and fifth notes in it, but it's also going to have the 7th note, but down 1 fret. So if we walk through that scale again, we had the C, D, E, F, G, A, B would be the 7th note of the scale. But when you play a C7 chord, or any 7th chord, you take it down 1 fret, or 1 semitone, and then you'll play the first, third, and fifth notes of the scale, adding in that 7th note down a semitone, or flattened 7th, and it ends up sounding like this. We have our major, and then our 7th, and it has that nice twang to it. So this time it would be, you'd have your C, E, G, but now a B flat in there as well, which gives it that nice twang to it. It'll be a similar story with the G major. We've got our G major chord, but when we play a G7, whereas the 7th note of the G major scale would be an F sharp, we're going to bring that down to an F, so down a semitone or 1 fret, and instead of a G major chord, you got your G7 chord, which is one of my favorite chords as well. Same story with our D major chord. The 7th note would usually be a C sharp, but if we bring that down half a step or a semitone or 1 fret, we end up with our D7, which again, it's another beauty as well. So we've got our C7, like so, our G7, like so, and our D7. And we'll take a look at some songs this week that feature those chords. Talk to you soon.